Many of you know that Canvas is our new learning management system. Basically, it's the new Google Classroom. The next question would be, how do I open Canvas for the first time? There's two ways to do this. First, you can open up the internet and over on the right side, what we call the Google Waffle, click here, and that opens up several apps. Scroll down until you see the Canvas app and click on that to open up a screen similar to this. We call it the dashboard, and you might initially see a notifications preferences prompt. Click here and say OK. The default prompts are just fine for now. You'll also notice on your dashboard a course. Note that your course name will be different. This is a practice course, and you may click on this icon to open up your actual class. Over on the right side, the to-do list will change daily with assignments and tasks that are given by your teacher. Additionally, there's a recent feedback where you may have assignments returned to you after the teacher has graded or provided feedback for them. The second way to get into Canvas is through Clever. You would simply open Clever and you'll see a Canvas app that you click on here. And from that point, follow the same directions we talked about just a moment ago. Hope this helps.